Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be doing a video on the Air Max 1000 Zellerfeld, and this will be a complete sizing guide so that you can find your perfect fit. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my sizing guides. For those of you who have been following along on the Zellerfeld Air Max 1000 release this year, this by far is the most modernized, cool, forward-thinking sneaker I've seen released this year. It is a fully 3D printed sneaker with Zellerfeld foam TPU that it's made of. These are extremely comfortable to wear. There is a little bit of weight to them, so they're not extremely lightweight, but I will say that as far as the feel of them, it does have a nice kind of cushion-like, pillow-like feel as you're walking around. As far as the size range goes, this does only come in full size ranges. So if you're someone like myself who actually hits in that half point size range of a 7.5, you're going to have to decide whether or not you should size up or you should size down in these. I think one of the things you'll have to consider is, are you going to be wearing socks with these? Are you going to be wearing thinner socks, if so, or thicker socks, if so? For me, I've decided to test out both the size 8, which you can see in the lilac and black colorway that I have here, and then in the cream tone I sized a size down, so these are actually a size 7. So as far as the fit goes, I do want to talk about the opening here of the silhouette. So this actually fits quite snug to the ankle and around your bottom portion of your leg quite nicely. So as far as it being a little on the bigger size, if you do end up going with a size that feels like it fits a little bit larger, I feel like these really just hug to your ankle quite well, so you can get away with that half a size up if it does run a little bit too big, especially since, as you can see here, this is quite narrow by the heel, so your heel isn't going to fully be able to kind of go all the way to the back where it fills that area in, so you're losing a little bit of room. As far as going down half a size, for me, I did feel like these fit perfectly with absolutely no extra space. So if you're someone who doesn't need a lot of extra space behind your heel or your toe box region, I would say to go half a size down. But if you are somebody who tends to wear thicker socks, you want to have a little bit of extra space, I think sizing up would be your safest bet. Now let's talk about my feet, just so you can compare your feet as well to mine. So if you have flatter, wider feet, I would highly recommend sizing up on these, just because I do have narrow feet, so they can fit into smaller sizes a little bit better. And I do have high arches, so if you have flat arches, you're definitely going to fill up a lot more room and space in these Air Max 1000s. All right, so feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. If you have not yet tried the silhouette out, you definitely have to snag a pair. They are so futuristic looking on feet. I've gotten so many compliments every time I wear these. All the different color variations that they've released so far as well are so cool. And as far as the feel of these, they're very nice to walk in. They feel very cushiony. And again, just they look stellar on foot. So again, if you have any comments or questions on sizing, feel free to ask away. I'll try and help you find your perfect fit. That's it for this sizing guide. If you joined us again for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out down below if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. That is it for this sizing guide. My name's Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on the next one.